Let's talk about rebuilding credit. It's not glamorous, it's not easy, but it's necessary, especially if you've been denied, hit rock bottom, or just made some financial mistakes in the past. Maybe you missed payments, maybe you maxed out cards, maybe life just happened and it wrecked your score. But here's the truth: you can rebuild. And one of the smartest tools to do that? A credit card designed specifically for rebuilding. Not the flashy rewards cards. Not the ones with crazy fees. I'm talking about cards that are made for people in your exact situation. That's where Super Money comes in. Super Money gives you access to credit cards that actually help you rebuild your score step by step. Their tool shows you cards that report to all 3 major credit bureaus, are built for credit improvement, not just spending, offer reasonable fees and growth potential, and most importantly, cards you're likely to get approved for. No more gambling with applications. No more credit score damage just from trying. You only see what fits you. Let me be clear. Rebuilding doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen one smart move at a time. And getting the right credit card today could be the thing that changes your score over the next 90 days. Click the link in the description and pinned comment right now to see the best credit cards for rebuilding credit. Personalized for your profile. You're not stuck. You're just one step away from a comeback. Let this be it.